Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a quick color spotlight. I'm here to show you the color Silverstone by Tony of Beverly. It's this color right here, Silverstone. Let's focus. And I have Phoebe in this color. I've done a review of Phoebe already. This is not about Phoebe, it's about the color. So if you want to know more about this gray blend, then stick around and I'll tell you all about it. Okay guys, I filmed this video once before and I had the color cards mixed up, so I want to first apologize to all of my wig sisters for this mix-up. I had tried to fix my mistake by putting some text in the original video that I filmed. I got feedback from someone that it was too confusing, and so I'm just refilming these videos. So the color on my head right now is Silverstone by Tony of Beverly, and this color is a beautiful blend of a pearl platinum, a light brown, let me get up close here so you can see it, kind of a medium ash brown actually, a pearl platinum with light golden brown and 20% gray highlights. It's not rooted. So really it's a kind of a brownish gray mix. It is a beautiful blend and it's definitely not fully gray. But it is an ashy color. It's not a warm color. So if you're someone looking for a gray color, but you don't want it to be white, you don't want it to be salt and pepper, but you want something that's going to complement, maybe you're going gray, maybe you like ashy colors, you don't want something warm and you don't want something with red, this could be a good color for you. Let me give you a look all around. Now again, I have reviewed this wig, and so I'm really just here to show you this color. So let's take a look at this color up close. So you've got a beautiful pearl platinum in here. There is an ash brown, a medium ash brown, and a light brown, all blended. There's no stark highlighting in this color, and it's consistent all the way to the root. There's a little bit more of the lighter color right at the front, as you can see, sort of like a front highlight, but it is a gorgeous blend. It is not mousy looking. It is not sort of a boring color. It is so dynamic. Just a beautiful, it looks like somebody their hair has turned, maybe their hair has turned kind of a whitish gray, and they went into a salon and had some ashy brownish lowlights added to give it some depth and dimension. It is really pretty. I think it could be a great kind of transition color if you are not, maybe you're just starting to get into gray wigs, but the salt and pepper colors are a little bit too stark for you, and the dark brown that's often in those salt and pepper, just a little bit too dark for you. Consider a color like this one. Now, I want you to be aware, in some lines, the Silverstone color is a lot more salt and pepper, a lot whiter. This one has a lot of that kind of golden brown, ash brown in it. All right, you guys, I'm going to get outside and show you this color outside. I am not refilming the outside section, so I refer to it incorrectly in the outside look. I refer to it as minx. It is Silverstone. Just keep that in mind. All right, hopefully that was a good enough look for you. One more time up here. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. All right, everyone, we are outside with minx. I wish I could get you guys some shade. I just simply don't have access to shade right now. With this time of year and all the snow, I'm really stuck with whatever the sky is giving me. So we've got direct sunlight, but at least it's outdoor light. It's really bright out here. I have been sort of dreading these outdoor looks because it's so cold. Let me see if I go around the side of the house, if that helps at all. I'll just kind of walk. My fear, yeah, there's so much snow over here. My fear is it's going to be very, like once I get in the shade of the house, it will be oddly dark, but I'll try it. We'll see how it goes. At least you'll have gotten both. So, at least it's not super windy because it is cold. I think it's below 0 again. All right. Ooh, snowy, snowy, snowy. Okay, I really hope that between the indoor, the outdoor, and the shade of the house, if you were curious about this color and you were struggling a little bit, that this helped you. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you so much. I'll talk to you soon.